Ayaw mo na magpa... Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
Ano yan? Strong na yan? Ha? Ay, strong. Ang strong. Inaanto ka na ba? O kagigising mo lang? O what? You. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ay, sus naman yung strong na yan. Ay, sus na strong naman yan. Ay, tingin ko yung pututoy. Pakita ko kay daddy yung pututoy. Ay, ang pagit na pututoy.
How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday, my dear friend. How old are you now?
Bebeng.
Happy birthday.
Ano yan? Mag-strong naman ikaw. Strong naman yan.
Sandali.
Ano yan? Strong na yan. Strong.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Follow her to school one day, follow her to school one day, that was against the rule.
Ay, Diyos ko, nang pa-cute naman yan. Ano yan, pa-cute naman yan. Bakit? Ay, Diyos, dahil pakita mo kay daddy yung pa-cute. Daddy. Ayan ang pa-cute ni Ivan. Strong naman, strong. Ay, sus. Strong na, be. Kanina, be. Strong. Strong na yan. Bakit kinakain yung kamay? Walang kainan ng kamay. Kakakain lang, kadidedi lang.
Mata mag-ano?
Ay,